Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Bose 700 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon, now go to settings, then press one time at the power button on your headphones and then press and hold it until you can hear that it's ready to connect. I have it, so now we should see it at the device list. And now click Connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!